Have you ever felt like you could control something that was purely random, like thinking you could influence the outcome of a dice roll by how you throw it? This common human experience is called the illusion of control, and it's the subject of a fascinating study by Ellen J. Langer. The illusion of control occurs when people overestimate their ability to control outcomes in situations governed by chance. For example, in one of Langer's studies, participants in a lottery were given a choice to select their own ticket or have one assigned to them. Those who chose their ticket believed it was more valuable and were less willing to trade it, even though their chances of winning were exactly the same as everyone else's. Simply having the illusion of choice made them feel more confident. But why do we fall into this trap? Langer found that when elements from skill-based tasks, like choice, familiarity, or competition, are introduced into chance situations, people start behaving as if they have control. This happens because our brains are wired to seek patterns and associate effort with outcomes, even when no connection exists. Here's an example. Imagine you're at a casino rolling dice. You might throw the dice harder when you want a high number or softer for a low number, even though the outcome is completely random. Your actions have no real effect, but they give you a sense of control. This illusion isn't always harmful. It can boost confidence and motivate us to take action. However, it can also lead to risky behavior, like overbetting and gambling or sticking with bad decisions because we think we can turn things around. So, how can we use this knowledge in everyday life? First, recognize when you're in a situation where outcomes are determined by chance. Ask yourself, am I overestimating my influence? Second, embrace the benefits of control in areas where it's real, like setting personal goals or improving skills. Lastly, use the illusion of control strategically, like giving yourself small choices to boost motivation and reduce stress, even if those choices don't change the overall outcome. The study highlights a fascinating aspect of human psychology: our deep need to feel in control, even when control isn't possible. By understanding this tendency, we can make smarter decisions and avoid pitfalls that come from overestimating our influence. Remember, the next time you think you can will a coin toss or luckily pick the right lottery numbers, it's all in your head. But sometimes, believing in control can be a powerful motivator in its own way.